Here with me is the Huawei FreeBuds 5 and I've been using it for a while now, and here is my review of the earbuds. The Huawei FreeBuds 5 come in this white box that shows a very simple earbuds at the front and the list of features and information at the back of the box. Opening the box, you are greeted with the earbuds case that comes in a metallic shape, and opening it further, you have the earbuds itself. The earbuds is shaped in a very unique way as opposed to the typical look of the Apple AirPods or those in-ear earbuds with a minimal small circular shape. You have a USB-A to USB-C connector for you to charge your earbuds, and you have two rubber tips for those people with large or extra large ear holes. There's also two paperwork, which are the warranty card as well as the quick start guide. And since we are at the unboxing stage, let's start with the physical design of the earbuds case. So the case is shaped in an egg form of shape, I would say, and it is metallic. You have a button at the side for you to pair or reset the earbuds. And opening the case, you have the two earbuds which can be attached magnetically and it will charge through the case. And at the bottom of this case, you have a USB-C connector for you to charge the earbuds. The earbuds comes with wireless charging, so you have the option for you to charge both wired and wirelessly. And at the bottom, you have a LED indicator for you to tell whether or not your earbuds case has battery or not. Since the design of the earbuds is kind of like an egg shape, it is very difficult for the earbuds to stay still, so most of the time if you were to place on a table, you have to place it flat horizontally. And this is one of the bad things I feel, because it does not have a fixed shape for the earbuds case to stay still, so you could easily knock it away by sliding it across a table, for example, and it may be prone to scratches because of the material of the earbuds case. In terms of the size, I feel that it is slightly bigger than the typical ones, but it is still very pocketable, at least in my opinion. Going into the case, the design of the earbuds itself, it does not have any form of seal or rubber tip for you to put that all the way into your ear. With that said, putting the earbuds on for a longer period of time, like traveling to my workplace or having a longer call meeting, it feels very comfortable on my ear because it does not seal all the way inside of my ear. However, because of the design of it, I feel that I have to play the music a little louder than usual, especially in a noisier environment, despite having active noise cancellation on these earbuds. And speaking about ANC, it does come with ANC and it does work well in a quiet environment by reducing the white noise. But in a noisy environment, I feel that having ANC on or off does not make much of a difference. There is no hear-through mode, but because of the nature of this design, you can naturally hear the things around you anyway. So as all earbuds, you can simply pair them via Bluetooth to your phone, to your tablet, to your PC, or if you want more controls, you could use the Huawei app for the earbuds, which is the AI Life. And unfortunately, for those non-Huawei Android devices, you have to download the application through a third-party website, and even that version itself is not the latest one, or at least maybe the one that I downloaded, because it does not support the earbuds. So from there, it prompted me to install the latest version of the app itself, and it actually installs another of the AI Live, which is different from the one that I installed. So the starting process of it is a little not user-friendly, but Huawei being Huawei, it is stuck in this position. For iOS device, I do not have one, but I feel that it should be easier because the app is available on the App Store directly. But after setting up the app, there is an update for the earbuds itself, and it is a pretty small update in terms of its size. However, it took a pretty long time to actually update it, and with the app, you could do more things with it. So firstly, you could adjust the EQ based on how you want to adjust the tune of the music if the sound profile does not suit to your liking. For me, I feel that it is rather alright. In a quiet environment, I feel that the music is above average. I could hear the instrument while playing the song. I could feel that the song quality is of a slightly above average one. But in a noisier environment, that's where all the surround sound kicks in. And it is not to my liking because of how I'm used to having ANC earbuds, which actually works. There are other features such as the auto play and pause. So there is the auto detection if you were to put onto your ear and take it off, and that is a nice feature to have, especially you need to remove it and you don't have to pause it at the same time as it automatically does it for you. It has features such as find my earbuds in case you misplace them, and you could play the sound individually, whether it's in the left or the right one. But if you lost your case itself, then I think there is no way for you to find the case through the application. There are also things such as multi-point connections where you could connect more than one device at the same time, and the app itself, it does shows what are the devices that you have paired, and for my case it's the phone and a PC itself. And you could actually set it to auto where you automatically switch between the two devices, and this is something that I like it a lot because it's very convenient for me to just switch from my PC to my phone if there's a need to, like for phone calls or switching to listening to music on my PC, etc, etc. There are also the touch controls where you could kind of customize for some of them, and I feel that for the tap control it is kind of like a hit or miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work, and that is a little annoying to my opinion. And for the swipe control, I feel that it works pretty well. For every time I swipe, it actually controls the volume up or down depending on the direction I actually swipe it, so that's a yay. And for the press and hold, it works too because of how it detects that your hand is there for like 1 second before it switches between ANC on or off. And for the microphone test, this time around I test one with indoor and one with outdoor, actual outdoor instead of simulating the sound because of one of the comments that is being made from one of my previous earbuds review. So right now I'm in indoor quiet environment and feel that the sound quality is not too bad, and I do believe you're able to hear my voice loud and clear. And in case of you want to type and say at the same time, this is how it sounds like. And I do think that the keyboard sound is not too loud as captured by the microphone to interfere with what you're trying to say. So right now I'm in a coffee shop and there are some sound coming from like the people around here as well as some buses sound. And I believe the background sound is cancelled out pretty well, except maybe some loud sound. Other than that, I believe you would be able to hear my voice rather clearly. So I think the microphone is not too bad in my opinion. So for the battery life, it is advertised that you could use the earbuds for up to 5 hours and up to 30 hours together with the case. For me, I'm someone who uses the earbuds while traveling to work and during occasional meetings, so I do not use the full 5 hours at a go. However, with the 30 hours total together with the case, I feel that the battery life for me is not too bad as I get to recharge the case slightly after a week of using it. In case you do not put back the earbuds back to the case, there is a quick charge for you to charge 5 minutes for you to use the earbuds for 2 hours. There is also a IP54 dust and water resistance, so in case of any accidental splashes or if you do use these earbuds for some workout, there is no issue for the earbuds to come in contact with water. So coming to the price and its colors, the Huawei FreeBuds 5 costs $198. In Singapore, there are two different colors which are frosted silver and ceramic white. There is also a coral orange depending on the region, and the one with me right here is frosted silver. I'm not sure if all the colors have the same kind of texture or material to it, but at least for the casing, I feel that it is very prone to scratches, and for the earbuds itself, it is very fingerprint magnet. So if you have very like greasy hands or sweaty hands or even oily ears, I feel that these earbuds, at least for the material, is not suitable for you because it does get stained pretty easily, and that is something that is not that nice for me. But if you do not mind about the cleanliness of the earbuds, then sure, go ahead. So overall, I feel that there are certain things that I like and dislike about the earbuds. So I do like the microphone. I feel that the microphone does capture my voice in an indoor environment and even outdoor environment, that you could hear my voice clearly. I feel that the sound quality is not too bad, at least in a quiet environment, because you could hear the instrument, you could hear the sound quality of it, and it really sounds good for me. Thirdly, I feel that maybe the design of it is rather unique. So I'm someone who likes things which are not of a typical design, and I feel that this design is rather unique, especially for the earbuds itself. It is not the typical stem shape or the typical round shape that you see in most earbuds these days. Number 4 is some features that I like in the applications or the earbuds itself, which is firstly the multi-point connection. So multi-point connection is always something that I like because it allows me to switch between devices easily, and I don't have to like unpair and repair the earbuds each time I were to switch between two devices. And I like the fact that you could adjust the EQ, which is something basic, but sometimes it is lacking for some reason. And I like that you have the sound alert if you can't find the earbuds, so it does peep a very loud sound so that in case you were to misplace it, you could still find the earbuds if it is somewhere near you that you could hear the sound. So moving on the flip side, which are things that I dislike, firstly is probably the material of the earbuds. Even though I say that the design is rather unique, but because of how it attracts fingerprint a lot and how the greasiness or the oiliness of your hand or the ear would stay on the earbuds, you have to clean it rather often for every time you use it, and it is a little annoying compared to like cleaning it once in a while. Secondly is the setting up process. So because I'm not using a non-Huawei Android phone, the setting up process is a little tedious, especially for those who would only install things directly from the Play Store. So you have to sideload the applications to gain full control of it, so that's a little inconvenient for those who are not familiar with it. Thirdly, active noise cancellation. Even though this is a feature that I like it a lot, but for these earbuds, I feel that having it switch on or off does not make much of a difference because of the nature of the design of the earbuds. So that's a little downer, especially if I have to use it while traveling to work or traveling back home. But if I have to use it at home with a more fixed, quieter surround sound, that would be perfectly alright to use the earbuds. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, do comment down if you have any opinions, and do subscribe for future videos like this. Thanks for watching.